everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 5-step detailed process of data analyst, or simply what does a data analyst do in just simple 5 steps. So this is the video for it. If a salary of minimum 5 to 6 LP attracts you as a fresher, then you can completely go through this video and make a career into data analytics field. So yeah, let's go to the job roles of data analyst. So what does a data analyst do in their day-to-day life? We take out the data from the business and we analyze the data, we make certain changes in the data, we visualize the data into certain formats such as graphs and charts, and present this data to business so that business could bring out certain beautiful insights from the data. So that's the pretty much work of a data analyst. Sounds very simple, I guess, to you, but it's not, because we have to use certain tools to analyze huge chunks of data, and to do that we need to be really good at those tools. And also we need to have a great problem solving skills, because we conquer real-time problems in our database or other tools as well. So that's the critical part of this job, and I hope you guys getting to know it. Let's move on to the 5 steps process of data analysis. So first one is understanding the goal. So basically, whenever you sit for exams, you have certain goals in your mind, such as you need to score 80% in your exams, or you need to get A grade in your certain subjects. So that's the kind of goal that you have in your mind. So similarly, we have certain goals in our mind while even getting the data from the business. So that's the kind of goal is such as we have given the sales data of last 1 year, and we have to bring out the bestseller products from the data, or we have to bring out certain categories of particular product in the data. So that's the kind of goal that we have in our mind. And then we move to the second step of the data analysis, which is collecting the data. And even for collecting the data, we don't get it that easily from the business. We have to go and use certain tools such as database, SQL tool, or Microsoft tool, or Oracle tool. There are many tools to collect the data. So we collect the data from such tools, and for that we need the language such as SQL, MySQL, NoSQL. So these kind of languages we need to be good at to collect the data from the business. So after collecting the data, which is a huge data, like millions of records can be into those data, then we will be moving on to the third step, that is data cleaning. So data cleaning is basically removing the duplicates, checking if the data has any null value, or the making the data in such a format which is very organized, which is very nice and clean. So that's the kind of work that we do in data cleaning or data wrangling. So yeah, this is the third step of data analysis. And moving on to the fourth step, we are going to be interpreting the result. So in the fourth step, we are basically analyzing what is our requirement, what is our goal to achieve. So for that, we are going to be needing the certain kind of tools such as Adobe Analytics, Google Analytics, or NumPy, Pandas. These are the kind of tools that we require. And to interpret the results, we have to be really good at predictive analysis, descriptive analysis, or diagnostic analysis. So these are the kind of analysis that we do usually. In the predictive analysis, we have the data of historical data, basically from the past, and then we check then we look for the trends from the historical data, and then we present it to then we get certain insights from it, and then we predict the future sales of a certain product or category of the product. So that's the kind of thing that we do in the interpreting the results. We are more focused over statistics and analyzing the data. So that's the goal of it. And moving on to the fifth step, which is which is my favorite, is visualizing the data. Visualization is the last type of data analysis, which is presenting the data in such a format which is very useful for the business. So basically we use charts and graphs. You can use Excel as well, and we currently are using Power BI. So there are different tools that we may not know. So that's the thing of it. And yeah, this is how the data analysis field works currently. And I hope this video is helpful, or motivated you to pursue a career in data analysis. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.